How to delete AliExpress application on your Android device. Are you guys facing issues to delete AliExpress application on your Android devices? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. To delete AliExpress application on a mobile device, just head over to the app and hold it for a second. Once you hold it, you can see the option for uninstall. Tap on it. Now tap on OK. As soon as you click on OK, your app will instantly delete it from your Android device. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to delete AliExpress application from your Android device. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you guys have any issues regarding AliExpress, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.